Now, this takes us into the Wix website editor where we can start designing our website. The first thing I like to do is click on this zoom out button here at the top right to get a better overview of what our website currently looks like. As you can see, we are on the home page right now. To go to any of the other pages of the website, we want to come up here and under page, we can switch from the home page to any of the other pages of our website, like for example, the Our Story page. We can then also check out what this page looks like on a mobile phone by clicking on the mobile phone icon here at the top, and this will show us the mobile phone layout. But for now, let's go back to the desktop view, and then let's also go back to the home page. And here on the left side of this editor, we have all the tools we need to customize the design of our website